Hello guys, good morning. It's 20, it's 16th of February 2024. Um, Welcome to the Euro USD analysis. As we are intraday traders, we first look at the trend, and as you can see, um, since the retest of this support area here, Euro USD has been dropping. It has really been bearish, and today, after breaking this low right here, this double bottoms, this low, after breaking it, we expected a reversal. It's a natural market cycle to retest the zones, but we need to be careful because um, from my perspective, there are a lot of things that we really need to do consider before we can sell Euro USD again. Like if you see this trend line right here, Euro USD currently is creating a liquidity. It's creating liquidity, and whenever we see a trend like this, we do not buy on it because we know that this is a liquidity sitting right here at the trend line. So what we can do is see what exactly will happen. But it's not only this trend line that I've just shown you on the chart. If you can uh, see clearly, see this high here, what do you see? What do you see? There is a trend line above here. Okay, I'm just trying to show you. I'm not a support and resistance trader. I do SMC, but whenever you do SMC, you need to do it with a with a different perspective, because if you do things like the way others do it, you get messed out, you get smashed out. Market makers like people who think obvious, and that's are the type of people they look forward to taking out. uh, an obvious SMC trader would do say this is an inducement and would want to sell off once the market reaches here. Would want to sell off. We'll see this as an inducement. This last high here, we'll see it as an inducement. But according to me, um, it could be a trap. It could actually be a trap. We could sell it. The market is always right. It does whatever it wants. But considering what we see here, in my own perspective, this could be a trap because we know that this trend line here could actually be a liquidity. So how are we going to sell it? We'll have to first keep an eye on it. If you can remember, there is a very big fair value gap right here. A very big fair value gap. Okay, so if you look at this fair value gap, you would know that there is high chance that the market could actually do this. Okay, from here it will do this. It might actually come back here and boom, up here, do this again, come here and sell off. Okay, and sell off. That is actually one thing the market could do, according to me. But we'll need to be a little bit patient and see what the market makers will do, because we follow them. They are always right. So I'm urging everyone to be careful of these two situations. In this case, after this fair value gap, we could actually sell off from here. Could actually sell off from here. We just have to monitor it closely. I'm not so sure. What I'm telling you is it's not a financial advice, but it's just an analysis. You just have to keep your eyes on it. Right here, we could sell it here. If it really indeed pulls back up to where I expect it, we are going to have a really decent trade, because from here we might just be doing this. We'll have to cover the last high, and then we'll look forward to taking the low. It's 1:9. It's really going to be a decent trade. We just have to be patient and wait to see what happens. And yeah, that is one perspective of it for Euro USD. But then I expect it to take time for it to reach that. For now, we'll have to monitor the areas around this trend line. It could take out this trend line, and you never know, we might have something to do here also. Let's see how they're going to create the models. We could go from here to here, and then this, take out liquidity, this trend line, close below it, retest. We see if they are going to create something right above um, here, like a fair value gap or any other block. We'll see how we're going to sell off from here. So that's also another thing. Yes, for today's perspective, that's all from me on Euro USD. Wish you nice time trading. Peace.